Hi, I'm Geeta Ramchandran, and today I'm going to cover 3 reasons for procrastination and how to overcome them. I know that this is the third part or third day of the Facebook Live Challenge. If you have not watched my earlier videos, I would suggest that you watch them because I have given reasons for people not being able to achieve their goals. And one of the reasons that I have mentioned is that they procrastinate. All of us procrastinate, even I procrastinate. But then, how can you achieve your goals if you procrastinate? That is the topic for today. And let me start. What is procrastination? Basically, procrastination is irrational deferment of tasks which are very important or very critical for you to achieve your goals, and doing something else to keep you busy, and then at the day end you think, oh, I've done something. But that will definitely not lead you to achieve results or achieve your goals. Procrastination is like a virus. Once you procrastinate, you will never take action, and slowly you will find that you're not able to achieve your goals. There are many reasons for procrastination. I will cover 3 reasons and how to overcome those reasons. First reason that I can think about is being overwhelmed. We have such a big goal, and the number of activities to be completed to achieve that big goal is too much. Thinking about itself becomes so scary that you are not able to achieve. What is the way you can overcome? I know all of you know that. All of us know what is required to be done, but we don't do it. We have to make a list. Make a list of all things which need to be done to achieve that goal. Once you have the list, you can be assured that this is out of your mind. It gives you a lot of peace of mind because there's a list where you can tick it off. After making the list, you categorize them, take out 3 or 5 on a daily basis. Of course, you should schedule it when you can do, and you take out of that and do the first one, which is the most difficult, most challenging, or the one on which you procrastinate, and start taking action on day 1. On a regular basis, if you do that, you will find that over a period of time, you are able to achieve that. Comment below how many of you will do that, take that action today itself to ensure that you take the number 1 action to get yourself going. The second reason is something known as not being able to prioritize. When you have too many goals to be achieved, too many things to be done, what is the first thing required to be done? You need to prioritize. There are many ways of prioritization. But if you don't prioritize, you don't decide which is the one to be done first, and start doing that, you will not be able to achieve results or achieve your goal. Taking the first action to prioritize your tasks, prioritize your goals, will give you results. So the second reason, not being able to prioritize, the one. Now the third one that I can think of is perfectionism. Most of the people want to see that their job is perfect before they launch, before they publish, before they implement. So they go on iteration after iteration, and it never takes off. How many of you have that habit of ensuring that it is perfect and you are not able to go ahead? I do have that. I commit that I do have that. But the way you can do is you launch it at 80%. When you are almost ready, do launch and then wait for feedback, implement that. This is known as consistent imperfect action. Take action, that is what matters. So when you take action, even if it is 80%, you launch it and don't get worried about what people are going to think, what people are going to suggest, because finally you have taken action. So once you start taking action and you start seeing the results over a period of time, you will see that you are reaching your goal. To avoid procrastinating, these are the 3 things. I have given something which is typical of all those people who want to achieve but are not able to start. First thing is, if you're getting overwhelmed, make a to-do list. There is a book by David Allen, Get Things Done with tells you how to list the things, how to categorize them, and how to start taking action on them. Start writing down what you need to do, then start prioritizing, and the third one is perfect your thing. Don't perfect your things. Implement or launch or publish when it is 80% ready. So with these, I'm sure that you will be able to achieve your goal. If you want to know more on this, of course, I will be providing a link to my private VIP mastermind group. Do join that, where I'll be sharing a lot of tips on helping you to achieve your goals. And also, you may be able to take an appointment with me if you want to have a one-on-one with me. There is a Calendly link will be given below. Do take an appointment and let me see how I can help you to achieve your goal. I am talking about goal mainly because I would like to wish you the very best with setting your goal and ensure that you achieve them. So see you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, I would like to know what you want me to cover next. And please do like, comment, and share with your contacts, and do subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.